Yuji Itadori, the protagonist of Jujutsu Kaisen, emerges as a multidimensional character whose life takes an unexpected turn when he becomes the vessel of the King of Curses, Sukuna. Initially introduced as a first-year student at Tokyo Metropolitan Magic Technical College, Itadori leads a relatively ordinary life. However, his ordinary existence is shaken when he encounters a mysterious cursed object that sets off a series of events that change his life forever. Before being dragged into the dark world of shamans and curses, Itadori was a student at Sujisawa Municipal High School, where he stood out for his impressive physical strength. Although he possessed notable athletic abilities, his interest lay far from sports, opting instead to spend his time in the occult club. Information about his parents is scarce, and his grandfather is the only family member who has been by his side. Itadori's meeting with Megumi Fushiguro, a student of magic, marks the beginning of his journey into the unknown. He soon becomes embroiled in a series of events that leads him to consume one of Sukuna's cursed fingers, making him the vessel of the feared King of Curses. From then on, he embarks on a dangerous mission, to find and consume Sukuna's scattered remains throughout Japan, hoping to destroy him forever. However, this monumental task comes with a high price: Itadori's inevitable execution once his mission is complete. Regarding his appearance, Itadori is described as a tall, muscular teenager, with light brown or pale pink hair, depending on whether you look at it in the manga or anime. After becoming Sukuna's vessel, he develops a small line under each eye. His clothing ranges from a light hooded jacket and black pants to his school uniform at Tokyo Metropolitan Magic Technical College, which consists of a black long-sleeved shirt, black pants, and red shoes. Itadori's personality is one of his most notable characteristics. He is honest, friendly, and has a natural ability to socialize with others. He cares deeply about the value of life and will go to great lengths to ensure that others receive a just death. Despite his playful and joking exterior, Itadori also shows a serious and committed side, especially when it comes to protecting those he cares about. Throughout the series, Itadori exhibits a remarkable willingness to sacrifice and a deep sense of responsibility towards others, greatly influenced by his grandfather's teachings. However, it is not without its flaws. You have an impulsive side that can lead you into dangerous situations, and you can become easily angered by injustice or cruelty. Additionally, he experiences a strong sense of guilt and responsibility, especially after witnessing tragic events and facing the consequences of his actions. In short, Yuji Itadori is a complex and multifaceted character whose development throughout the series is marked by his bravery, kindness, and determination to protect others, even at the cost of his own life. His journey from an ordinary existence to becoming Sukuna's vessel challenges him in many ways, but his character and inner strength make him a memorable hero in the world of manga and anime.